Renovations have meant so much to Hartley. The first thing the Renovations allowed us to do is have a secure area where we were able to put in a secure vestibule so that we could direct parents and visitors to the office without having access to the entire campus. There's also a lockdown feature in the office so that if we have an emergency that occurs, we're able to lock the building down so that no access is being granted even into the remainder of the building. The Media Center has created a real atmosphere that the kids can go into and really become critical readers, that they are really reading for meaning. The Tree of Knowledge has created an area in which kids can come in and they can read to their classmates, teachers can read to them so they hear what fluent readers should sound like, but also it creates a space for the author's chair for them to be able to share and to read together. The maker space has really taken critical thinking to a higher level. Students are able to go into the maker space, they're digging into skills that they have learned in the classroom and coming in and applying hands-on application of those skills. They're building things, they're creating things, they're designing, taking apart, analyzing at that maker space. Also, just having an area that's conducive for reading, going in and checking out books. Kids want to go to the Media Center now.